My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is the Sinta Spoken English videos with shorts, maybe numbering to 1,000. But each one, each video or each short helps us in many ways uh, to develop our spoken English, maybe to make our day to day dialogue an excellent one. So, dear viewers, try to watch these videos of Jacinda Spoken English channel and please listen to them so that the words and phrases, questions and answers can be imprinted in your minds and whenever, wherever needed, whatever may be the situation, we can use these sentences and have a good, perfect, and very appealing and attractive day to day dialogue. So, dear viewers, suppose we are talking about a program with our friends or at home even. So we can use some questions and answers, no? So questions can be like WH questions like when did you go? So the answer will be I went last week. So it is about the timings. Where did you go? I went to Chennai. So Chennai now referring to the place. So where when we ask the questions, the answer will be I went to Chennai. Maybe I went to Mumbai or I have been to Delhi to attend this function. So we have different types of answers when we are in the midst of 4 or 5 friends. So how was it? How the program went on? How was it? So the answer can be it was very delightful. Another can be it was a joyful get together with some more friends from different areas. So it can be a joyful program, a delightful event, and then a very happy, joyful, and delightful program, we can say. So when it's a joyful and delightful program, what are the events you have? You can ask. When you talk about the joyful and delightful program, you can ask what are the events? So the answer can be it was a wedding reception, but we had many other events also. We had a very interesting dance program, and at late night we had a musical event. So all these events, when we talk about, we can call it as an eventful program. It was a joyful one, a delightful one, and even an eventful one. Many events means we can call it as eventful day we had intensely. Oh, is it? Then you would have enjoyed my. Sure, it was a very enjoyable day. So we had a very enjoyable time, memorable time, we can say. We can always remember those events with joy and pleasure also. Maybe joy and pleasure, same meaning. But when we talk, we use these words to highlight the program. So it was a very joyful event, successful one. So naturally, joyful and delightful and eventful means the program, the everything was a successful one. Successful one. So joyful program, eventful day, and delightful time. And naturally, it was a successful program. So we can have all these rhymes when we talk with our friends. Even in our mother tongue, when we use good, appealing, and rhyming words, it is always a pride to use that. So in English also, we can use all these words when we narrate a program. So dear viewers, listen to these videos, watch the videos, and have some words and phrases in your mind to have an excellent day-to-day dialogue. Bye.